Owning your own startup is not like working for an enterprise level business. Those two are different worlds. In case of enterprise, you were riding on someone else's money before. If they had to experiment with a new product, idea, or a service, they were able to explore more thoroughly because they had access to more resources. When working on your own product, idea, or service, you have to be careful and measure where you are going and what you are doing. A couple of options. You can talk it through with a trusted partner, or the downside is that you might burn your runway and you won't be able to bring your product to market. My recommendation is to understand and weigh risks. Take calculated risks in shorter time frames. Run experiments in shorter chunks to create quicker feedback loop to iterate and continue building. One thing I always say is fail fast. Get results in weeks, not years. In case you need help evaluating the situation, we are here and we can definitely help.